The School District of Philadelphia's facilities planning process is a critical part of its vision for all children to have access to a great school. School buildings play an important role in supporting student achievement. Thoughtfully planned and well-maintained buildings help to spark creativity and support academic programs that meet the educational needs of all our 21st century learners. The goal of the facilities planning process is to use data and community input to inform a facilities master plan that will provide tangible solutions to the challenges that exist in Philadelphia's aging school buildings. The process occurs in 4 phases. During the introduce phase, industry experts take a system-wide look at our existing buildings and assess each school based on facility condition. Is the building safe and structurally sound? Educational suitability. Does the building meet the needs of the academic programming for the school? Enrollment forecast. Will future enrollment be sufficient to support programming but not overcrowded to the point of hindering academic performance and student safety? Building utilization. Will the building's equipment and systems be able to support a fully enrolled school? Based on these assessments, district leaders, together with industry experts, will then identify potential options to address the challenges at each school, which could include improving operations to maintain the physical integrity of existing facilities, replacing systems that have exceeded their anticipated service life, constructing new facilities to meet the needs of students. These options and the data that supports them will then be introduced to the public. Built into the facilities planning process is a commitment to engage with families and school communities to collect feedback on the options identified in Phase 1. There will be a series of meetings where community members can provide input on the options they find most favorable and why, the challenges they foresee with the options, alternative options that should be considered, and other items the district should take into consideration before making final decisions. Community feedback collected during the engagement phase will then be used to help revise the options and develop final recommendations. During the plan phase, Parsons Environment and Infrastructure Group will use the final recommendations to create the facilities master plan, and it will be presented to the Board of Education in the spring of 2023. For the latest FPP news, data, resources, and timeline, and to register for a community meeting, please visit www.philasd.org/facilitiesplanning.